At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you.
Today, October 11, 2022, 5 investors betting big on Novavax stock. Vanguard is the largest shareholder of Novavax stock. Switzerland's drug regulator just recommended Novavax's Nuvaxovid vaccine as a heterologous and homologous booster against COVID-19. On October 13, the biotechnology company will also share data concerning its COVID-19 influenza combination and COVID-19 vaccines. Shares of Novavax stock are down over 80% year-to-date. Novavax, Nasdaq NVAX, stock closed higher by 6.7% today. Currently, the company is slated to share positive data from Phase 1 and 2 trials concerning its COVID-19 influenza combination, CIC, vaccine at the World Vaccine Congress Europe 2022 event on October 13. The biotechnology company will also share data on its protein-based coronavirus vaccine, Nuvaxovid, as a homologous and heterologous booster. In addition, President of Research and Development Gregory Glenn will hold a keynote panel tomorrow to discuss the next steps in combating the pandemic. Meanwhile, Novavax stock received another boost today after Switzerland's Federal Office of Public Health recommended Nuvaxovid as a booster regardless of prior vaccine history. The health agency cited data supporting Nuvaxovid's efficiency against Omicron subvariants and noted that the immune response against these subvariants increases with booster shots. This recommendation will help Novavax increase its target adult population in the country. Yesterday, Novavax also announced that it had filed a post-approval change application to the Korean Ministry of Food and Drug Safety through its partner, SK Bioscience. The application seeks to use Nuvaxovid as a heterologous and homologous booster for adults aged 18 and over. This application comes after Novavax's COV Boost trial found that the vaccine induced a meaningful antibody response when used as a heterologous third booster dose. Nuvaxovid has been authorized in more than 40 countries, and is currently undergoing Phase 2 and Phase 3 trials in the United States. Of course, U.S. authorization would certainly provide a positive catalyst for Novavax stock. However, the addressable market has shrunk considerably in the past year as individuals continue to receive vaccines from other approved providers. 5 investors betting big on Novavax stock. Tracking institutional ownership is important, as these large investors provide liquidity and support for stocks. During the second quarter, 313F filers reported owning Novavax stock, a considerable drop of 55 funds when compared to first quarter. Meanwhile, the institutional put-to-call ratio sits at 1.17, down from 1.74 in first quarter. This means that 13F filers still own more put options against the company than call options. However, shares owned by 13F filers totaled 33.3 million in second quarter, up from 32.86 million shares during the previous quarter. With that in mind, let's take a look at the top 5 shareholders. 1. Vanguard, 7.35 million shares. Vanguard purchased 383,982 shares during second quarter. 2. BlackRock, 4.25 million shares. BlackRock sold 257,364 shares during second quarter. 3. State Street, 2.96 million shares. State Street purchased 471,322 shares during second quarter. 4. Morgan Stanley, 1.28 million shares. Morgan Stanley purchased 383,415 shares during second quarter. 5. Coatue Management, 1.24 million shares. Coatue purchased 385,270 shares during second quarter.
Thanks for watching Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.